There ain't nothing better on a cold day than a big pot of hearty, veggie-packed soup to warm your soul. And Ribollita is one of the best there is. This traditional Tuscan soup has a simple recipe but tons of flavor thanks to ingredients like kale, cannellini beans, and day-old Tuscan bread. Let's get cooking! For this Ribollita soup you will need 800 grams of canned cannellini bean, 1 onion, 5 carrots, 3 stalks of white celery, 1 black cabbage, 1 chard, 1/2 green cabbage, 4 potatoes, 200 grams of canned tomatoes, thyme to taste, 1 liter of hot vegetable broth, 250 grams of stale Tuscan bread, olive oil, salt and black pepper to taste. For this recipe you can use dried beans or canned beans. I choose to use canned beans because the process is much faster. Pour the beans with their liquid into a large bowl and transfer half of them into another bowl without the liquid. Use an immersion blender to puree the remaining beans with their liquid. Finally, chop the onion. Cut the carrots and celery into very small pieces, and clean, wash and cut the kale, chard and cabbage into pieces. Peel and cut the potatoes into small pieces. Sauté the onion, carrot and celery in a large pot with 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil for 1 minute. Add the cut potatoes, fresh thyme and the canned tomatoes, brown for a few seconds. Finally, add the black kale, chard, and cabbage. Bring to a boil, add 2 to 3 cups of broth, cover with a lid and let simmer over low heat for about 2 hours, adding the warm vegetable broth from time to time. After the indicated time, the soup will have taken on a cooked appearance, the pieces of vegetables will have softened. Add the bean puree to the soup and let cook for another 30 minutes. Add the whole beans, cover with hot broth, and let cook over low heat for 30 minutes. Taste and season with salt to taste. Now take an earthenware pot. If you don't have one, use a thick-bottomed casserole. Add slices of stale bread on the bottom and add some ladles of soup on top. Repeat the operation, adding a layer of bread and one of soup until filling the pot. Cover and let the Ribollita rest for a minimum of 3 hours up to the next day. When ready to serve, add a couple of ladles of broth, a drizzle of oil and cook again over low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until warmed through. Add more salt and pepper if needed. Your Ribollita is ready. Serve it nice and hot. Enjoy!